In this video, you're going to learn a simple 3-step process for monetizing your knowledge with paid webinars. In other words, I'm going to show you how to get people to pay you just to listen to you. No fancy funnels, no expensive ads needed. Just follow this 3-step system and you'll make fat stacks of cash that would make any rapper jealous. Stick around, homie. It's the Webinar Marketing Show. Hi, and welcome to the tutorial. I'm Owen, host of the Webinar Marketing Show, where you'll learn how to make big sales with better webinars. The show is brought to you by ClickMeeting, the only software that you need to schedule, automate, and promote your online webinars. If it's your first time here, say hello in the comment section below. Thanks for joining us today. Here's a fact. You know stuff. Am I right? And that's good news, because if you clicked on this video, then you probably have some advanced level of knowledge that people are willing to pay for. But here's the bad news. Without a scalable system to monetize that knowledge, you'll end up just as broke as your Uncle Jasper, who swears that living in a houseboat is super cool. So today, I'm going to show you my proven 3-step method for monetizing your knowledge with paid webinars. With these 3 steps, you'll be able to monetize your knowledge without having to serve clients, without having to build fancy funnels, or growing a huge list. But I have to warn you. Don't add or subtract anything from these steps until you've made your first $5,000. Follow the system exactly and you'll be successful. Let's start with step number 1, survey your audience. A survey gathers real-time feedback from your audience, whether it's 5, 10, or 100 people. Before you plan your paid webinar, send the survey to your audience and ask them what they want to know. The biggest mistake that I see people making is deciding what you want to talk about first and then hoping that people will sign up for your webinar. This is horribly, horribly wrong. Instead, go to SurveyMonkey and set up a free survey. Ask no more than these 3 questions. What is your biggest blank challenge? And fill in the blank with your topic. What do you want to learn most about this topic? And what result do you want to get this year from this topic? Then send this survey out to your email list or send it to your hottest prospects one at a time. Once complete, you'll have very detailed information on what it is your potential buyers actually want to know about. Step 2, prepare your presentation. Based on the feedback from the surveys, you're going to pick the top common challenges that your audience faces and create a PowerPoint presentation that directly answers the challenge. This is how you're going to get people to register for the event. Make sure that your presentation is about one thing and not all the things. Because really, every answer you get to question number 2 could become its own paid webinar. So don't blend them. Focus on one at a time. Now, if you want to know how to put together a successful PowerPoint presentation, then stick around. I have a major tip coming for you at the end of this video. Now that you have a presentation and an audience, it's time to put together a payment gateway so that your audience can actually pay money to attend your webinar. For that, we're going to use a fantastic software called ClickMeeting.com. With ClickMeeting, you can schedule, promote, and automate your online webinars with any pricing plan. You'll get unlimited landing pages for your webinars, a waiting room, and a custom webinar broadcasting room where you can add a presentation, pre-recorded video, share your screen, and stream to YouTube and Facebook. But you can also connect it to your PayPal account so that your viewers can PayPal you money before they see the webinar. You can get started now for free when you visit the page that's in your description box and click the button here. Once you've set up your account, you'll schedule your first event and click on the details section here. Scroll down to access type and select paid. Now you'll see the PayPal section. Then simply follow the steps. For best results, price your webinar between $49 and $99. You can always increase the price later. Then, once you're finished setting up your account, grab the link and invite the audience you surveyed. When they click the link, they can pay you money, get a link to your webinar, and finally get the info they need to break through the barriers in their own life and business. Now, I know that we went through this pretty quickly, but let's review all the steps to make sure you know how to do this. Step number 1, Survey your audience. This will tell you what your customers want in their own words. Step 2, prepare the presentation. This is where you deliver the content your customers just said that they wanted. And step 3, set up a payment gateway with ClickMeeting. This is how you'll be able to collect money from your customers. Now remember, don't add or subtract from these 3 steps. Follow this system exactly until you've made $5,000, and I'm sure you'll see success. Now, there's another video that I want you to watch that will teach you how to create a killer sales PowerPoint that your audience will love. I've linked that video right here, and you can click the link that's on your screen to go watch it right now. I'm Owen Video with ClickMeeting, and I'll see you there.